In this video, I will show you how to create straight lines in Microsoft Word using keyboard. So first method, press 3 times hyphen and press enter. So this is the first method, press 3 times hyphen and enter. Second method, type 3 times underscore and enter. Third method, press 3 times equal sign and press enter. Another method, insert shape and select line. Now press and hold Shift key and draw your line like this. So these are methods you can create straight lines in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.